Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and today I'm working on the hoods of two Mini Halfwood Presses, number 55 and 56. I'm at one of the fun parts of the project now, which is to put the coin, I call it. It's like a little decorative medallion that goes on the top center of the hood.
But before I can fit it in the round hole, I have to nip off the corners. I use a metal shear.
Then I grind it a little rounder with a grinding wheel. Now all I have to do is remove the black material and polish the hood and glue it in. That black material is laser print because I use laser print etching to make these little medallions. It comes off with a few drops of lacquer thinner. I'll polish it. I'll polish it later with a polishing wheel, and it'll bring out the contrast of the etched out parts. Before I can glue it in, I have to give one final oil to the hood, and I'll be gluing the medallion in with epoxy. I'm rubbing it with 4/0 steel wool, the finest steel wool there is. Now before I glue the medallion in, I need to give it a little bit of a curve because the top of the hood has a slight curve to it. So I need to give it a little bit of a curve, and I'll do that by running it through this press. But before I can do that, I have to put its bed in and its wheel so I can turn the press. Tighten down the set screw. To get that curve, I put a piece of mat board down and lay the medallion on upside down and roll it through. It takes a few tries till I get the pressure right. And that will have the effect of giving it a curve. You can tell when it's enough when it starts to emboss the mat board. A little bit of a curve now. Before I glue it, I like to give it one last little burnish around the edges and look for any spots that might need fixing. For glue, I'm using a 2-part 5-minute epoxy. It doesn't take much. I like to coat the back of the coin and also a little on the wood itself. There, now it's right set up. All I have to do is lay a ruler along here to make sure that the symbol here is actually horizontal. Now I'll give it a little waxing, one final coat of wax for polish, and it'll be ready to attach to the press with its 2 screws. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie, working on my Mini Halfwood Press number 55 and 56. Thanks.